Going on YouTube, got the Springfield Hellcat RDP, the Olight Pl2 Mini on here with the standard rail key on it. We have the Holosun 407K, factory compensator, 15 round mag in the firearm. We're going to have a full range video coming soon. In my opinion, this is the ultimate concealed carry gun. Between a 4-inch barrel, getting that good velocity off your 9mm ammo, get a pretty decent grip with the 15 round mag in the firearm. If you need to step down in size, you can. That's the reason I didn't go with the Hellcat Pro over this model. I'll have a full video coming soon. What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick little tabletop comparing the Hellcat RDP. Weapon is clear. Unload it. Going to put the ammunition to the side. Versus the Glock 43X. Both firearms are clear. Ammunition is on the side. Let's talk about looking at the slide to slide comparison. A bit significant longer barrel on the Hellcat RDP. If we go slide to slide, looking at the grip, not really losing too much with the Hellcat, but with the Glock stock mags, we're only at 10+1, and with the Hellcat 15 round mag, we're 15+1. And if we look at these slide to slide, not cheating here, get the grip to grip, we were pretty much at the same amount of grip length. Now you can run the shield mags in here and have, 15+1, but from a stock comparison, no light rail. It's not optics ready model. Couldn't find one when I had got this gun. And in terms of triggers to triggers, from a carry standpoint, they both carry very easy. The Glock 43X may be slightly slimmer, but not that much. It's definitely a lighter gun with all the attachments. Let's go ahead and talk about the stock triggers to compare. Little break, little creep, reset. Hellcat trigger. Get to the wall, crisp break. Resets right there. Probably about the same travel. And the reset. The Glock trigger, maybe slightly lighter. I don't know, this has more rounds through it than the Hellcat. Get to the wall, it's a bit spongy, a lot of creep. The Hellcat trigger just feels a lot more crisp. In terms of size comparison, I mean, if you run the 15 round mags in there, get an MOS model, throw an optic on there, and a light, you're in a pretty much similar size category. It's just that the grip on the frame of this gun is a lot better than the grip on the frame of this gun. Both striker fired, single action only designs. You may have slightly more space in the trigger guard on the Hellcat with glove hands. But dimensionally wise, they're pretty much in the same form factor. Now without that mag in there, the Hellcat obviously is much smaller. So if I were to run the 10 round mag or the 11 round mag in the Hellcat, you're one more bullet than the Glock with the flush mag. I'm still about the same length. You're better off really just running the 15s unless you really need to conceal it a bit more or you're limited to capacity. In my opinion, this gun is a lot more snappy. I mean, obviously minus the compensator and the longer barrel. I've shot the regular Hellcat models. They pretty much about the same snappiness as the 43X. I do like the beaver tail on the 43X. It does help a lot when mitigating the recoil and maintaining purchase on the firearm. This also, it's a beaver tail as well, allows you to get nice and high on the gun. Little double finger groove right there, undercutting the trigger guard on both. The Hellcat undercut is probably a bit deeper, only very slightly. Stock Glock sights, that's what you get from the factory, versus these factory night sights here. I don't know how well they're coming up on camera. This is a little tabletop. Going to have a little range review comparing the two of these, seeing how they shoot.